Alright guys, ready to start resining? Before you start resining, you should clean all the parts of any dust or dirt or whatever. And I just use a lacquer thinner. So we're just going to go ahead and put it on a cloth and then just wipe everything down. Alright, so everything's wiped down and clean, so we're going to start mixing the resin. I am using West Systems 105 Epoxy, the pump, and I am using the West Systems 207 Special Clear with the pump also. And so it makes it a lot easier with the pumps. It's just 1-to-1 pump. So we're going to mix up a batch and then we're going to get going. Alright, got some resin mixed up, just using dollar store brushes. The only thing to watch out for is the bristles sometimes fall off, so you just want to make sure you don't have any caught in your resin. And we're just going to start. On big batches like this, that's going to take about half an hour to do. I usually set a timer for 2 hours after probably 2 pieces. It's not like down to the second, but that's kind of where I figure it tacks. So Okay, so when you're done and you have everything coated, you may notice some small bubbles, air bubbles. There's two options. You can use a heat gun, or you can use a spray bottle with some acetone in it. I like the acetone, it's a lot easier. So you just basically spray the whole part. And you should see them go. And that's it, guys. Now we'll wait under 2 hours now, and then do another coat, another 2 hours, and then one more coat. I'm not going to video all 3 coats because that would be very long and redundant, but I will show you the coat after each coat that I put on. So you're not trying to build it all up very quickly. You're just trying to saturate the fabric. And you'll notice with each coat it will get more built up. And that's what you'll want. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, second coat is done. I'm just going to show you the buildup of resin. So it's getting better. One more coat and it will be perfect. See you in another 2 hours. Okay guys, final resin for the first stage. It's looking a lot better now. Makes a nice surface that we're going to sand. And I like to let this sit now for a whole day. So this is going to dry all tomorrow. And then come Monday, I'll start sanding it.